Meanwhile, the Law Society of Kenya earlier in the day held protests, or yesterday I should say, held protests over alleged delays in the land registries. The Lawyers Association has raised concerns over alleged delays, inefficiencies and collapse of services at the Land Ministry across the country. They allege that land reforms through digitization have failed to improve service delivery. This was after they walked from the Supreme Court to Ardhi House in Upper Hill to deliver a memorandum at the ministry's headquarters. The National Land Information Management System, known as Ardhi Sasa, was launched by President Uhuru Kenyatta on April 27, 2021. The system is a digital land resource management platform designed to enhance the security of land records, speed up transactions, and curb fraud.
We are aware of instances where landowners, while they are waiting for their documents to be processed so that they can access a loan facility to travel for medical cases, have actually died as they wait for the ministry to process. And we all know that land is a means of production. And so therefore, when there are challenges and inefficiencies at the Ministry of Lands, it is not just the lawyers who suffer.
That is why we are here today to execute this protest, the Ardhi Sasa, Ardhi Tasa. The protest aims not only to place a public outcry, but also to document the challenges that are being faced and present them to the ministry as other legal avenues are being sought to address the challenges faced by the public.
We have a timeline, a government timeline, that we need to work on those documents and finish them and unclog the pending issues within the next 60 days. We are doing an audit also of the functionality of the Ardhi Sasa, because now we have finished the audit from the internal audit side as the Ministry of Land. From next week, I had spoken to the President LSK that from next week we want to sit. And thank you very much, because already in your petition you've done an audit of the system and you have done some recommendations. And you have done some recommendation that you're proposing that as the Ministry of Land we should execute, and it will make the process more efficient and more effective.